A 12-year-old girl named Caitlin Fawnley is facing a condition that has completely changed her daily life. She sneezes an unbelievable 12,000 times a day. What started as a normal sneeze suddenly turned into something doctors are still trying to understand. The constant sneezing makes simple things like talking, eating, and going to school extremely difficult. Sadly, some kids even make fun of her, which makes the situation even harder for her to handle. Despite everything, Caitlin stays strong and continues searching for answers with the help of doctors and her family. Her story reminds us that kindness and understanding matter because sometimes people are fighting battles we cannot see.